In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Age of Empires 2 on a Mac. It's easier than you might think, so follow along step by step. As you probably know, Age of Empires 2 is not available natively on Mac. On Steam, the game is listed only for Windows. And to get it running on Mac, you will need compatibility software. The two best options I recommend are Crossover and Parallels. Both offer free trials, but they are paid software, so a license is needed to use them fully. These tools act as compatibility layers, translating Windows-only programs so they run on Mac, including Age of Empires 2. And step 2 is to download and install it. So visit the Crossover or Parallels website and start your free trial. Download and run the tool. It's intuitive and user-friendly. And for Crossover specifically, create a new bottle, which is essentially a Windows environment. Inside the bottle, select Install Steam, and once Steam is installed, log in, open your library and run Age of Empires 2 through this window bottle. There are free alternatives like Wineskin or Porting Kit, but they can be more complicated to set up, may require frequent maintenance, can have inconsistent performance, and for ease, stability, and better performance, I recommend Crossover or Parallels. Once everything is set up, launch your compatibility layer tool. You need to open Steam inside it and download or access the Age of Empires 2 and start playing. And that's it. You now have Age of Empires 2 running on your Mac. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.